Are you ready to take your Mahjong teaching to the next level? Then join our growing network of accredited Mahjong instructors who have already gotten their accreditation through the School of American Mahjong. Hi, I'm Debbie Barnett, founder of the School of American Mahjong. I've been playing Mahjong for over 40 years and teaching for more than 15. Over that time, I've taught thousands of students, led active Mahjong groups, and organized large-scale events that bring players together to learn, compete, and grow. In 2020, I founded the School of American Mahjong to elevate the way this game is taught and to support instructors across the country. As the author of Unlocking the Secrets of American Mahjong and creator of the Mahjpedia app, I've become a trusted and respected source within the Mahjong community, known for clear, accurate, and passionate teaching. That's exactly what the Jongg Instructor Accreditation program was built to do. Whether you're already teaching and want to make it official with the exam-only course, or you're ready to start your journey with the full instructor program, this program will give you the tools, structure, and confidence to teach Mahjong the right way and with professionalism, clarity, and joy. What you'll get with the full course is a lesson kit with comprehensive, ready-to-teach lesson materials, downloadable instructor tools and resources, your certificate of achievement and digital instructor badge to display on social media and marketing materials, a listing in the Accredited Instructor Directory at School of American Mahjong, and much more. Learn how to master classroom management and adult learning dynamics that truly help your students succeed, and grow your teaching business with expert marketing guidance. Become part of a nationwide network of professional instructors leading the next generation. Existing instructors can take the exam-only course, but if you feel you need more help, take the full course. Enroll now. The link is in the video description, or you can email mahjaccredited@gmail.com and earn your accreditation status today.